Model 2012 Mitsubishi L200 Barbar-N Double Cab Di-D4X4 by 4 spares OR repair. Body red 4x4. Mileage 193583. Engine 2477 cc 4D56 131st of a kilowatt, EU5B. Transmission automatic 4-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox only selects first and second gear and reverse. Gearbox will need repairing. According to the diagnostics, machine input shaft sensor faulty in the gearbox. It will need replacing as it only has first, second and reverse working. Easy job for the right person to get this back on the road. Okay, hand medium light skin tone. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, reversing camera, cruise control, air con, electric windows. EU status: Euro 5. HPI